Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a Google Doc via link. Now there are a couple of ways to get this done, and the first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and name this one right here. You can head over to the share button right here, and then from here you're going to go ahead and choose the general access to anyone with the link. Now from this point forward, what you can do is just basically or essentially add a people here, so you can go ahead and add their email. After doing that, you can just go ahead and, all right, let's try to do this one. Let's go ahead and add one of my other emails. All right, there you go. And then when you click the send button here, it is going to send an email with the link of this particular document. Now, the easiest way or the other way we could do this one is essentially just clicking the copy link right here. Now, if you're going to open a notepad, you can go ahead and paste it here. Now, similarly, you can just head over to any messaging app that you have and then just paste the link. That way, they'd be able to access this. Another thing that you can do is just simply copy the link here at the top, and then you can go ahead and just paste it, and basically it's going to open or it's going to give them the same thing. And that, everybody, is how you're going to share a Google Doc via link.